Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing from Rosalind. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I'm going to be doing this unboxing from Rosalind. They were gracious enough to send me another gel polish kit. It has 6 milliliter bottles and 6 pieces of them. On this box here we have the ingredients of these products as well as a 7-free formula, which are products that do not contain parabens, gluten, formaldehyde, resin, DBP, toluene, and camphor. They also have some cautionary tales as well as manufacturer information. I'll have to double check. I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm assuming this is the order number, but I am going to be linking this product in the description box below along with a discount code that will last till the end of May, so please go ahead and check this out. I'm going to be doing a design as well for you guys today. I know that I normally do a part 2 video, but I'm just gonna mesh this into one. I have so much going on this week. I'm gonna be doing a really nice design for you guys, and yeah, so we're just gonna open up the box here, and as with all boxes from Rosalind, they throw in this little card, and it has some information on there. It has some usage, how to apply the polishes on there to their standards, and then how to remove the polish, and then there's some DIY nail art inspo if you should choose, and then of course on the back they have like typical questions that you may have that they will answer. So that is that, and here I have an array of glitter polishes. Of course, you know I love my bling, I have my glitter, but look at all these pretty colors poking through that little window. I'm just going to take each one out and I'm going to show you each one as I normally do, because these colors are freaking cute as heck. So the first one we have here is like a gold. It's C295, and I am going to be opening up this bottle. I am so excited. I love glitters so much, as you know. It's probably a problem, but not in my world. Look at this. I love how they have chunky glitters. There's fine glitter, there's the bigger hexagon glitters, and this is, it looks like it's all in a clear polish, so that's always great because it leaves this finish where it's just glitter. You don't have to put a color on your nail, you could just leave it clear and it looks like there's just glitter floating there. The next one that I have is C106, and this is kind of like a pink color, and I don't know if my camera is picking this up, but it's got some nice blue hues to this. I'm going to see if I can drag my light. I have a little desk lamp here, and I want to see if the light reflects all these colors off of this one particular bottle, because the moment that I opened it, it was pink, but it was a little mystical because it has little blue flecks or purple flecks, I'm not sure, but it was so freaking cool. And you can kind of see it. It's so glittery that my camera doesn't know what to focus on, so you can kind of see it a little bit now, but it's really prominent in person. So this isn't a clear polish, it's got some sort of like pink transparency type polish mixed in with the glitters, But that glitter is amazing. It's pink glitter, like I said, with a mix of, it might be an iridescent clear or something, and it's reflecting some blue colors or purple colors. Anywho, moving on to the next one. This one's pretty. It looks like a galaxy right from the little peek window. This one is C089, and it looks like a purple, but like I said, it's kind of screaming galaxy vibes. Oh, look at that too. So it is definitely a purple and a clear polish, but it's reflecting off some blues, some silver hollow. So definitely I can see this on a black background doing some galaxy nail art, but this color is very dreamy as well. And I can't wait to use these, you guys. Next one that I have here is like a red. It's C294. I've got a bunch of not a bunch. I've got like a couple of other red glitter polishes, and they're all different. I think the color kind of is the same, but the chunks of glitter on there are different. But look, this is jam-packed. I mean, I think of these all are jam-packed with all this glitter. This is giving me ruby slipper vibes. I mean, comment below, click that like button if you agree. But like I said, they all have chunky glitters. They have the large hexagon glitters and then the super fine glitters. That one was really nice. So the next one that I have here is like a blue, which is great because I don't even think I have that yet. This one is C088. Let's open that up. I love sapphires. For some reason. So this color is really super pretty, and look at that. I mean, how crazy is that? I mean, it's like it's not as easy to see compared to the other glitters, but when you see it, it looks really pretty. Okay. So last but not least, we have a green, and this is C109. This one was kind of hard to get out of here. I've been using my fingers and I can't manage to get in here with the last one. But I love their packaging. They package very well. So this is the green, like I said. And I'm going to open this up. And look how glitter packed this one is. Again, in a clear polish. I love greens. This is emerald. This is giving me Emerald City vibes. I love these colors, you guys. So it seems like this is pretty much a rainbow of colors, which is perfect because it's going to lead to our design for today. So in honor of Pride Month coming up, I want to do a really pretty rainbow design. Let's take a second to try to look at these soft gel nail tips that I had put on. I am just loving how I'm getting the glue, the nail glue ratio right, or the adhesive, whatever you call it, to where there's no overage on the underside of this tip. But anyway, so this is not part of the 6-piece kit, but this is a Rosalind gel polish. It's a number 3. It's a black, and because these glitters are just so amazing, you guys, I want to showcase them off. So again, for the upcoming celebration of Pride Month, I am going to rock these nails. I know I normally strip my other hand, but I'm going to keep both because they kind of have the same techniques of applying an ombre glitter on here. So I'm taking the 03 from Rosalind and I'm putting just one nice coat on there. I feel like one was enough to make it nice and mostly opaque. It's very little, like super little transparent, but it's not apparent unless you really look close at my nails, which I would never allow you to do because that is just too close for comfort. So I'm just going to be applying this onto each nail, and then we're going to move on to the glitter portion of it. Okay, so using these 6 colors only, all Rosalind products. If you would like to purchase this kit, I'm going to leave the product link in the description box below, along with my discount. And remember, you guys, it's good up till the end of the month, so you want to grab this fast, especially with the upcoming celebration of Pride Month. I truly think these colors will work so well. They're nice bold glitters that just really stand out, and in a minute you're going to see what I'm talking about. So my idea here, I'm going to ombre the glitter like I said, as we did in the previous video. And I'm going to start with the red, and I'm going to make it look like a rainbow. So, fun fact, I think everybody knows that if you need to know the order of rainbows, there's always one guy you need to know, and his name is Roy G. Biv. That's Roy G. Biv, guys. R-O-Y-G-B-I-V. And each letter stands for a color. So R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, and V for violet. So in this case, we don't have indigo, so we're just gonna go blue and violet. But that's pretty much the order, and I'm gonna make the glitters as dense as possible towards the base of the nail near the cuticle, and then I'm gonna use my detail brush to fan that down and make it more sporadic down the midpoint of the nail, and I'm gonna do that to each color. I did do this 2 times, so after I laid down all the colors once, I gave it a cure, and then I went back in and did another layer on top, repeating the same technique to ensure that I have a really nice dense amount of glitter towards the base of the nail, and then feather it out towards the midpoint of the tip. And I'm just going to continue this for each of the nails, the same process, 2 layers, and I'm going to put some top coat, add some rhinestones to it, and that's going to be the design, you guys. So this is a very simple design, and it just, that black background just makes the glitters pop so very well, and I can't wait to pop back in and show you the end result of this design. And here is the end result, you guys. My inspiration from the upcoming celebration of Pride Month. Check these glitters out. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, as well as the discount code that is good up to the end of the month. And let's see this up close. Guys, I love how these came out. It's so simple, so easy, but look at those glitters pop. I just can't with myself right now. I love my glitter, I love my bling. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again tomorrow, you guys. I'm in a Nail Sister collab by Nails by Lena. So go check her channel out. She has the schedule. I'm going to post the schedule as well. And my video comes out tomorrow. Just Nikki's comes out today. So go check her out. Thanks. Bye.